Another new feature in ES6 is the ability to work with extended literals, such as the numeric binary and octal literals, and also some more support for Unicode characters. So there has been support to work with binary numbers in previous versions of JavaScript. For example, if you wanted to get the binary equivalent of an integer, you can call the toString function on the number, and by passing in 2, you get the base 2 value, in other words binary, representation of 404. But as the function name suggests, it will convert it to a string, which might not be what we want to do. So with ES6, we can use binary literals to represent a binary number while still preserving its data type. We can also do the same thing for octal numbers if we need to as well. We just need to substitute the B at the start of the number with an O. So those are some new features for working with numbers in ES6, but there's also some more support for Unicode, which is useful for when you're working with languages that have extended character sets, or even emojis. So we can see that the smiley face emoji has a length of 2, and that's because it's made up of 2 Unicode characters. And you can access the 2 values of those Unicode characters by using the code point at function and specifying 0 and 1 to access the individual items, which you can then use in your code to generate emojis or other symbols using the string.fromChar code function. So that's just a few examples of the extended support for Unicode and binary and octal literals in ES6.